Ever find yourself locked out of an old LinkedIn account because the email is outdated? Well, today in this video, we got the solution for you. Over the years, LinkedIn has become a crucial platform for professional networking, but an old account from the past might not be so useful anymore. When it's time to tidy up your digital footprint, not having access to the email link to your account might seem like a big problem. But don't worry, there's a solution. You can still delete your LinkedIn account even without email access, and here's how you can do it. First, try to recover access to old email if you can, and if email recovery doesn't work, go to LinkedIn's login page and head to Forget Password. Then choose the option Can't access this email. And another step is to submit a new email address and go through LinkedIn's verification process. You will need to provide identification to prove that account is yours. LinkedIn's customer support team will guide you through this. Once you've regained access, it's easy to delete the account. Simply log into LinkedIn, go to Settings and choose Close Account, and follow the instruction to confirm. Remember, closing your account means losing your connections, messages, and endorsements. So make sure you are ready before proceeding. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.